IONOS offers mail business for professional email with your domain. Requires an active domain and mail business plan. Log into your IONOS account at ionos.com. Create the email account. Navigate to Email, Mail Business in the dashboard. Click Create in the Mail Business tile. Enter the email and select your domain. Set a strong password. Optional: enable virus protection, scans for threats, and email archiving, auto backups. Optional: add a forwarding target for redirects. Click Create. Send login details via email if needed. The account is ready. Access via IONOS webmail, webmail.ionos.com. Configure on devices or apps, webmail. Log in directly, no setup. Outlook, File, Add account. Enter email and password. Auto-configure. Uses IMAP/SMTP. Android, Settings, Accounts. Add, Exchange. Enter email, password. iOS, Settings, Mail. Add account. Exchange. Enter details. Server settings. IMAP, IMAP.ionos.com. Port 993, SSL. SMTP, SMTP.ionos.com. Port 587, Start TTLS.